Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the branch of electronics and telecommunication. It is one of the fastest growing fields in engineering. Trust me when I say that. With the introduction of database management systems, data structures, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a variety of tools in its practicals, in fact the open source tools, we can say that this branch is a gateway to a whole new world of technology, research, and jobs. The question arises, where are the electronics engineers? There is a huge lack for them in the market out there. Post this pandemic, there is indeed a very huge industrial revolution, a transition. And in that transition, the ones that are going to stand out are the electronics and telecommunication engineers. So what do the students of electronics and telecommunication study? First year, as you know, is common to everyone. In the second year, the students are exposed to a variety of core electronic subjects and also a sneak peek into electrical networks. As they proceed from one semester to the other, there is a growth. They get into signals domain, they get into embedded systems domain, they get into electromagnetics domain. So they have a wide variety of areas that they are exposed to. And as they grow, they slowly get into the communication domain. From analog and digital communication to 5G, they learn all the important applications. So it's like a superb journey that they get to go. So they start off with basic concepts and they end up with applications. How wonderful it is, isn't it? They study a lot about satellite communication, optical fiber communication. So there is no area of engineering that is left behind, and that's what electronics and telecommunication is all about. It is a combination, and the perspective of the corporate world is changing, and they are in demand for these kind of hybrid skilled engineers. And the EXTC students are a fantastic combination of software and hardware. They are a fantastic combination of electronics, networking, and applications. And this is where many government institutions like TIFR, BRC, MTNL, and many corporate giants who are offering internships to these students. So it is a branch that is very much neglected and very much not understood. They just consider it as electronics. That's not the case. It's not just electronics. It opens doors to robotics. It opens doors to a number of IoT applications. It is the branch that is the need for tomorrow. It is the engineers that are not there in the market. There is a void. There is an entire void of electronics engineers in the market. We have a lot of coders out there, but we don't have people who can actually work on pure electronic projects and those who can design the boards. There is a huge void there, and that looks to me like an opportunity. So if you are going for engineering and you think that you can't go for core programming, this is one branch that will take you ahead in the race. I hope this video was helpful to all of you who are planning to take up engineering as a career. It is one of the most important branches which is highly neglected and highly misinterpreted. EXTC is a combination of electrical, electronics, signal processing, embedded systems, networking, communications, which again gets subdivided into a variety of fields. So when you're talking about image processing, speech processing, you're talking about robotics, you're talking about machine learning, you're talking about artificial intelligence, we cannot neglect the fact that somewhere down the line, and in fact in the system, is the engineers that belong to electronics and telecommunication.